Look at this amazing trailer for Battlefield Ukraine. But, no, this is no game. Even it looks like Call of Duty chapter. This video is showing the insane intensity of the fighting going on. Driving into a village whilst it is under heavy artillery fire.
Ах, ебать, крути въебало нахуй! Ого!
Video from Ukraine's 72nd Mechanized Brigade of strikes on the Russian Pacific Fleet's 155th Naval Infantry Brigade. The video shows 2 destroyed T-80 BVM tanks, a BMP-3, others were possibly abandoned, and destroyed fuel trucks. Ukrainian armor and motorized infantry advancing in southern Ukraine towards Kherson. Liberation video from Kherson Oblast.
Це Новопетрівка. Вок, покажи своє личко. Люди. Що, ми будемо далі? Вітаємо вас. Слава Україні! Все, всі свої. Все буде добре.
Все, дякую.
Colonel Pavlo Fedosenko, hero of Ukraine, defender of Kharkiv, commander of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade, is driving modern Russian T-98 tank captured by the Ukrainian army. Russian Lend-Lease continues.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.